SykeTech Cruise Up, the smart electric bike, redefining urban mobility. The SykeTech Cruise Up is a groundbreaking innovation in modern urban transportation, designed specifically for today's city commuters who value efficiency, sustainability, and cutting-edge design. This compact electric-assisted bicycle delivers a perfect balance of performance and eco-friendliness, making it an ideal solution for daily travel through busy streets. At the heart of the Cruise Up lies SykeTech's unique SE Drive technology, which integrates an advanced gyroscopic stabilization system to enhance balance, control, and maneuverability. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising along bike lanes, the Cruise Up ensures a smooth, stable, and effortless ride every time. Air Yacht V2, the flying superyacht of the future. The Air Yacht V2 is a groundbreaking concept that merges the luxury of a superyacht with the freedom of flight, redefining what it means to travel in style. Designed by Lazzarini Studio, this futuristic marvel consists of two 492-foot helium-filled blimps connected by a sleek 262-foot central hull, creating an airborne palace unlike anything seen before. Inside, the Air Yacht V2 offers unmatched opulence, a master suite, elegant dining area, panoramic lounge, and 5 guest suites on each blimp, each complete with private bathrooms. Its transparent structure provides breathtaking 360-degree views, immersing passengers in the skies like never before. Powered by solar panels and ultra-light batteries, this eco-friendly vessel can fly for 48 hours at 60 knots. Triton, the ultimate amphibious camper trike for land and water adventures. Meet the Triton, a revolutionary amphibious electric camper trike that takes outdoor exploration to the next level. This all-in-one vehicle functions as an electric trike, a watercraft, and a compact camper, offering the perfect fusion of mobility, adventure, and sustainability. Built for eco-conscious explorers, the Triton is powered by a 2.88 kilowatt-hour Life PO4 battery, giving it a range of 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles, on land, and 12.4 kilometers, 7.7 miles, on water. On land, its 2,150-watt motor delivers smooth, silent performance, while an additional 1,150-watt water motor powers it effortlessly across lakes and rivers. Inside the cozy cabin, there's room for 2 people to sleep comfortably, along with storage compartments, USB charging ports, and interior lighting, everything you need for an off-grid micro-adventure. With a starting price of around $17,900, the Triton offers a truly unique and sustainable way to experience nature. Whether you're cruising through forests, pedaling down back roads, or floating peacefully on the water. Flight Scooter, the next-gen electric hydrofoil for effortless water adventures. The Flight Scooter redefines personal water sports with its futuristic electric foiling design, making it one of the most stable and beginner-friendly hydrofoils ever built. Designed for riders of all skill levels, it combines cutting-edge technology, smooth performance, and eco-friendly power for an unforgettable experience on the water. Powered by a 5-kilowatt motor and the advanced Flight Cell Sport battery, the Flight Scooter delivers up to 90 minutes of exhilarating ride time. Its disposable handlebars offer excellent balance and control, allowing even first-time users to glide confidently above the water's surface. Equipped with a smart flight controller, riders can easily monitor performance data and adjust controls in real time, ensuring a smooth, responsive, and intuitive ride. Priced at $12,995, the Flight Scooter represents the pinnacle of electric watercraft innovation. Firefly, the next-gen FPEV VTOL drone for pros and beginners alike. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the Firefly FP VTOL drone, a revolutionary blend of fixed-wing power and quadcopter versatility. Designed for both beginners and professional pilots, this drone delivers an unmatched flying experience with cutting-edge performance and intuitive control. Featuring a modular quick-release design and an impressive 1,080mm wingspan, the Firefly offers easy assembly, effortless portability, and superior flight stability across all terrains. Thanks to its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) system, it can soar, hover, and land smoothly in tight spaces where traditional drones struggle. Built with a high-efficiency aerodynamic frame and multiple gimbal options, including night vision capability, the Firefly ensures crystal-clear footage whether it's day or night. Powered by a robust motor and advanced power system, it supports a maximum takeoff weight of 2 kilograms, enabling longer, smoother, and more stable flights. Hyperfoil prototype, the future of flying over water. The Hyperfoil prototype redefines personal watercraft by blending the excitement of surfing, flying, and motorcycling into one futuristic electric hydrofoil. Engineered for thrill seekers and tech enthusiasts alike, it delivers an unmatched experience of speed, balance, and control over the water's surface. Powered by advanced Skyride flight control software and an active stability system, the Hyperfoil offers razor-sharp agility and smooth handling, even at high speeds. It can accelerate from 0 to 45 miles per hour in just 8 seconds, effortlessly gliding above the waves for a sensation that feels like flight. Built from high-modulus carbon fiber composites, titanium, and ultra-high-strength stainless steel, the Hyperfoil combines aerospace-grade strength with lightweight efficiency. Its electric propulsion system ensures a silent, zero-emission ride, making it as eco-friendly as it is exhilarating. Priced at $59,000, this next-generation hydrofoil represents the pinnacle of luxury performance and innovation.